pretty sure I'm Italian. For today, I'm going to make a marinara sauce, pretty simple, and I'm just going to use some bucatini I bought at the store. But before I do that, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And then another thing, my camera lady and on live editor is not around. She's out of town, and so if I say something completely off base and it's not obvious, well, sorry. So here we go. All right, first thing, I have some olive oil heating up in the pan. Or I've heated up the olive oil in the pan. I'm going to put a few cloves of garlic in there. I'm actually putting more than I normally do just because I love garlic. Brittany doesn't like it as much. And so I pare it down when she's around. So I'm just going to let the garlic go for a minute. Okay. For this one, I am going to use San Marzano peeled tomatoes, a whole can of that. So then I'm just going to take a fork and mash those up in there, crush them myself. If I were using just a can of crushed tomatoes, like I often do, then I will usually put a small can of diced tomatoes with it, just to give it some texture and make it a little thicker. But because these are just crushing these with a fork myself, it's got plenty of chunks. I'm going to keep this as it's cooking, just kind of squash it, make sure they're all chopped up. I'm going to add pepper, some salt, a lot of rope parsley, because I love parsley. Some thyme. Oh shoot. Ugh. And some bay leaves. And that's just because I don't have any fresh ones now, so I'm just going to use this dried bay leaf. Mix that all up, and I'm just going to put it on low and keep kind of chopping this as it's going. Let that cook on low for just while the pasta's cooking. And then I'll put the pasta in here and a little bit of pasta water and enjoy.